Hello friends. This experiment is called elephant toothpaste. The first thing, well, you need a lot of things. You're going to need some hydrogen peroxide. I gave you that in a little cup, but if you want to do this again, it's the stuff they use for perms. I think it's called a developer. Anyway. And then you're going to need some dish soap. You'll need food coloring. You'll need yeast. I think this is a tablespoon, I don't know how much that is. And then hot water. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our hydrogen peroxide into our bottle. Oh, you'll also need a bottle. And I think the bottle I gave you should work really good for this, but I know this bottle works really good. And the reason that it does is because it has this really narrow opening. You want it to be narrow. The skinnier, the better. Okay, so you want that. You're going to put your hydrogen peroxide in there and then some dish soap because we want this to have bubbles. Lots of bubbles. So put in lots of soap. I'm going to do a few. I don't know. Maybe one more. Hopefully that will give us enough bubbles. And then you want to swirl this around so that the soap is mixed in good. So I think it's making bubbles. I don't know. I think I want some more bubbles. There we go. That will be good. All right. Then you want to put food coloring in. Now I like to put my food coloring, you can do it straight down in it and it will just change all of the toothpaste, but I like my toothpaste to look striped. So I'm going to put 3 dots and I'm going to put them right here so they're running down the side of the bottle. See how that's running down the side of the bottle? I'm going to do 3 of them. So that way when the bubbles come up, they'll grab the food coloring and it will make it striped. Okay, so there's that. Now over here we're going to add a 4th cup of hot water. We want it to be warm because we want to dissolve the yeast. Oh, I probably should have done the yeast first if I'd have been thinking, because then it would have been having time to get activated. Might have to talk to you for a minute about this. So yeast, do you remember when we made our rolls? Yeast is not like it doesn't have a mind, but it is kind of alive and we want this to get active. Ooh, we're gonna, either I have too much yeast or too little water. I think I probably gave you enough yeast to do this experiment a few times. So let's put in some more water. We don't have to add all of this yeast to our bottle. Of course, it might make it more exciting if we do. But we want to get this so it's starting to dissolve. You don't need to put the chunks of yeast in. Yeah, this is way too much yeast. I will, on the directions, pay attention to what I write in the instructions. I'll figure out the right measurements and then you can measure out how much you need. You don't have to dump the whole bag in. Okay, that's a lot. Ooh. I think because I have so much there, I'm going to add a little bit more hydrogen peroxide to my bottle. Okay, that way we want our proportions to be on. Oh, this is going to be exciting. I might have to scoot back. Our volcano is kind of cool. This is going to be really cool. Okay. You ready? I'm going to put this right here. You see it? I want to make sure I have a cookie sheet under it. I don't know. Got more in here than I'm used to doing. See it? Look at that. That cool? And it's still going. Now this is called an exothermic reaction. If you feel it, put your hand on top of it, it's warm. When that yeast and the hydrogen peroxide combine, it creates a heat. Pretty cool. I'm excited to watch you do it.